Okay, so it's been 7 days since I applied the ceramic coating. Just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. I'm going to spray down the hood here, and we'll see how it works. So we're going to take our leaf blower to the car just so you can see how easily the water beads off. So it's important to get all the water dried up. You know why?
Why?
Because if you don't, then it's going to leave water spots.
What do those do?
What do water spots do?
Yeah.
They're unsightly. Yeah, they just don't look good.
Oh.
And I don't think it's good for the long-term durability of the ceramic coating.
I mean, it is a beautiful car. You want to keep it in tip-top shape.
You know what? You're right about that. You can't just use any old car soap or car shampoo. You want it to be meant for a ceramic coated car. So I've got some of that coming. In about another week or two, we'll go ahead and do a video on that. But for now, you know, it's pretty clean. I haven't driven it that much. I must say, I am very happy with the way that ceramic coating turned out. I was on the fence about doing it myself or taking it to a garage, and just the price difference alone was what convinced me to do it myself. I've never done it before, so I was a little bit hesitant, but you know, after watching enough videos and going through the process, it really wasn't hard at all. It wasn't difficult, just a little bit of attention to detail. And as you saw, the water just beads right off it. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations or questions, put them down below. I'll talk to you later.